The gold rush is over. For the last 10 years, the world shouted one piece of advice at you. They told you to learn Python. They told you to learn JavaScript. They said if you could speak the language of machines, your future was safe. They were wrong. Right now, artificial intelligence is writing code faster than any human. It doesn't need sleep. It doesn't make syntax errors. And it doesn't need a salary. So, if the machine speaks its own language better than you do, what are you for? This is not a video about giving up. It is a video about evolving. There is a new skill emerging. It is not about writing lines of text. It is about understanding the soul of a problem. We call it context design. By 2026, this will be the most valuable skill on Earth. Those who learn it will become the architects of the future. Those who don't might just become the bricks. Let's find out which one you are. To understand where we are going, we have to look at the tool in your hand. Think about the first humans. When we wanted to tell a story, we painted on cave walls. It was slow, it was hard, but it was direct. As we evolved, we built layers. We created language, then writing, then printing. With every step, we moved further away from the raw action, but we gained power. Computer code is just another layer. In the 1940s, humans had to physically plug cables into machines to make them think. Then came assembly, a nightmare of numbers. Then came C++, then Python. Notice the pattern? We are moving away from the machine language and closer to human language. Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA, said in 2024 that the goal is to create technology where nobody has to program. He said the new programming language is just human. We have reached the final layer. The barrier between your thought and the machine's action is dissolving. You don't need to know how to build the engine anymore. You just need to know where you want to drive. But this creates a dangerous trap. If driving is easy, everyone can drive. So, what makes you a master driver? Let's break this down. Coding as we know it is mostly syntax. It is the grammar of the machine. Where do you put the semicolon? How do you close the loop? AI has mastered syntax. Models like GPT-4 or Claude can write perfect syntax in seconds. Asking a human to write syntax now is like asking a human to do long division when they have a calculator. But here is the catch. The calculator can solve the math, but it cannot decide what to calculate. It has no desire. It has no goal. This is where context design begins. The machine provides the how. You must provide the why. Imagine you want to build a house. In the old world, the coder was the bricklayer. They had to place every single brick by hand. It was hard work. It paid well. In the new world, the AI is a magical machine that lays 1 million bricks in a second. But if you just tell it, build a house, it might build a house with no doors, or a house made of ice in the desert. The AI lacks context. It doesn't know you possess a family. It doesn't know about the local weather. It doesn't know you like the morning sun in the kitchen. Context design is the art of giving the machine those constraints. It is not prompt engineering. That is a low-level trick. Context design is system architecture. You are no longer the writer. You are the editor-in-chief. You are not the soldier. You are the general. There is a concept in psychology called theory of mind. It is the ability to understand that other people have thoughts different from yours. AI does not have a theory of mind. It simulates it, but it doesn't feel it. A report from Goldman Sachs in 2023 suggested AI could automate 300 million jobs, but it also noted that jobs requiring complex human judgment are safe. This is the gap. Code is binary. It is yes or no, true or false. Real life is gray. Real life is messy. Context design is the ability to translate the messy gray world of human problems into the black and white instructions the machine can understand. The better you are at understanding people, the better you will be at controlling AI. So what does the timeline look like? Let's travel forward. 2026. The shift. Job titles change. Junior developer positions vanish. Companies stop hiring people to write code. They hire AI orchestrators. These people manage teams of AI agents to build software. 2035. The dead language. Coding becomes like Latin. It is studied by historians and academics, but nobody uses it to speak. Creating an app will be as easy as describing a dream to a friend. 2050. The interface. By now, we might not even use words. Futurists predict the rise of high-bandwidth brain-computer interfaces. Context design becomes thought design. You will think of a solution, and the AI will build it instantly. The limit will not be your typing speed. The limit will be your imagination. But there is a warning here. If you cannot think clearly, you cannot build clearly. If your mind is cluttered, your output will be chaos. The computer is a bicycle for the mind. Steve Jobs said that years ago. But for a long time, we were busy fixing the bicycle chain. Now, the bicycle is an electric motorcycle. It creates its own power. Your job is no longer to pedal. Your job is to steer. Don't fear the end of code. Celebrate the beginning of pure creation. The most important programming language of the 21st century is not C++. It is English. It is empathy. It is logic. It is your own mind. So, I have a question for you. If you could build anything in the world just by asking for it, what is the first thing you would create? Tell me in the comments. This is Anthrosys. We don't predict the future to scare you. We do it to prepare you. Stay curious.